Hey, it's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, your girl will be showing you how I do my light setup or my current studio setup. Kasi ang dami sa inyo nagtatanong, Ate Boo, how do you do that? I want to do that too, so teach me. I'm gonna show you just that. But before that, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me, then don't be shy to message me on my Instagram account. It's at makeupbooya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of the Boo Fam or the Boo Hive, you absolutely can. Meron kaming Facebook group called the Internet Buddies by the Boo Fam. So all you have to do is click the link down in the description box below and make sure to answer the group questions completely. Because guys, I decline those who try to enter the group but do not answer the group questions. By the way, disclaimer lang guys, hindi ako professional na light setup-er. Hindi din ako professional when it comes to the camera settings, studio set. Hindi ako professional, guys. Natuto lang din ako ng lighting setup sa YouTube, guys. So I also highly encourage you if you wanna learn more about how to set up the lights, how to set up your cam accordingly. Mag-search kayo sa YouTube, ang daming resources online. So yung sa video na to, napaka-basic lang or parang get ready with me or set up with me yung type of situation natin ngayon. So without any more further ado, let's proceed on setting up. So my first ever lighting setup was these clamp lamps. Actually, tatlo to dapat eh. Dalawa sa harap, tapos may isa sa likod. Tapos ipa-flash ko sa screen kung ano yung itsura niya before, nung ganun pa yung setup ko. Then I had this ring light. Ito yung second ko na lighting for my vlogs. Ring light lang and then a lamp sa likod. And then recently, I got this. So I have two soft boxes. You can buy these on Shopee. Ano lang siya, tig 4,000 plus lang ata. Hindi siya aabot ng 5,000. 4,000 lang for these two. Kasama na yung stand. And may bag pa siyang kasama. So if you wanna bring it around, you absolutely can. Yung bulbs, hindi kasama. 4 yung bulbs nito. So yung bulbs ay mabibili niyo siya sa mga Home Depot. For actually guys, for the current setup that I have, yung parang studio feels nga, isang softbox lang yung ginagamit ko. So yung isa ay ginagamit ko siya for props, for backgrounds, as you can see, ipa-flash ko sa screen. By the way guys, I have one more light to mention to you and that is my handy dandy lamp. Okay, I'm pretty sure madami sa inyong may lamp sa bahay, tapos white lamp to. And the reason why I have a lamp is because ito yung ginagamit ko pang separate ng subject or me from the background. So yung basic setup ko actually guys is meron akong front light and meron akong backlight. So, yung backlight ko is ito yung lamp. So, right now, isa-set up ko na yung studio. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna, put the light here. Yan, just put the softbox here. Yung props muna. Tapos, nilalagay ko lang yung plug sa ilalim para hindi makalat. And then, I put the ring light here. And tapos, nilalagay ko lang again sa ilalim yung plug para hindi messy sa background. Ayan, props lang talaga tong dalawang lights na yan. And then the softbox right here, ilalagay ko siya dito. Okay? Because what I'm gonna do is, parang isang light lang, kasi gusto ko yung dramatic na feel. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. Actually, napakaliit lang ng space ko. Akala nyo lang malaki. So, nandito lang yung softbox. Hindi niyo yan makikita mamaya kasi naka-wide lens tayo ngayon. So, iba yung lens ko mamaya. So, yung lamp, ilalagay ko siya dito. Yon, 'di ba? Nawawala yung shadow sa likod. Ilalagay ko yan dito. And I'm just gonna turn it on. Wow! She bright! Wait, change natin yung setting. Napakaliwanag niya. So, nagmamatter din actually guys yung camera settings. Kanina kasi napakataas ng ISO ko, so binabaan ko siya. By the way, before I clean this up, meron ako actually gustong i-experiment with. Bago to, hindi ko pa ever na-try to sa current setup ko, but I really do want to try it out. So, please bear with me. So, I have here with me one of my clamp lamps. And then I also have this pink plastic here. Actually, I got this from Skin Potions. Yung Skin Potions kasi, pink yung bubble wrap nila. Ang cute-cute. I will add more drama sa lighting. Iki-clip ko yan dito. Tapos, instead na white light, meron na akong pink light. May wash of pink color lang. So, if gusto niyo tanggalin, pwede naman. So, magiging white siya. Pero gusto ko yung pink. Ayan, para may drama. Saan ko kaya isi-set up to? So, yun. So, we have drama now. See, we have the pink light over here, parang accent light. And then we also have the backlight over there, which is, ginagalaw ko to every now and then. Just to see kung kamusta naman yung setup sa likod. So right now, is naka-wide lens ako. Kaya nakikita nyo yung clutter. Nakikita nyo to. So, let's change to the 50mm lens. Ayan, so naka 50mm lens na ako. So, eto yung effect niya. So, 'di ba, mas na-soften yung background, mas siya, it's way more dramatic now, basically. By the way, guys, napaka-cute ng pink na accent light sa likod. Ang cute, 'di ba? Ang cute. So, 'di ba? Huwag niyo itapon yung mga plastic niyo agad-agad, lalo na yung mga colored ones. Gamitin niyo siya as accent light like that. Oh my gosh! It's so pink. I love it. Drama. So right now, medyo unhappy pa ako sa setup sa likod kasi hindi nakikita yung stand ng softbox. So parang hindi siya studio setup din na. Parang ano yung triangle dyan sa likod? Parang ganun siya. Tapos yung ring light, medyo mababa siya. So gusto ko siyang pataasin kasi ayoko na parang circle lang talaga siya tingnan. Parang ano yung circle na dyan? May triangle, may circle. So hindi nyo alam na, light pala yun. Iaangat ko si ring light tapos I will adjust the softbox. Tapos siguro babain ko siya ng very slight lang. Perfect. Tapos yung parang makeshift table ko, nilalagay ko dito. Yan, nandyan siya, hindi nyo nakikita. Dito ko nilalagay yung aking makeup, yung makeup removers, pag nagsaswatch ako, para, ganyan-ganyan na lang, nandyan lang, hindi siya malayo. So, ito yung current ko na lighting setup with the additional accent light dyan sa likod, which is the pink light. Baka yung iba sa inyo magsasabi na, ay, Booya, madami mo namang lights, baka mahal yan lahat. Actually, guys, yung ginamit ko lang is 3 light source, the softbox, the lamp, and the accent light. Which, the accent light, you don't need to do it. Actually, guys, kailangan nyo lang talaga 2 lighting setup. 1 light sa front to light up your face, and 1 light sa back to light up the background, which is yung lamp kanina na puti. And then the rest of the lights that you can see, ayan po, naka-prop siya. So, actually, you can replace those lighting setup sa likod, yung prop sa likod, with any props that you have. Pwede yung cabinet mo, pwede yung mga toy collection mo, whatever it is, pwede yung vanity area mo. Pwede ganun, guys. Depende yun sa inyo. So, if you're wondering, paano ka magsiset up? Ano yung light na bibilhin mo? Actually, guys, I really recommend that you get a ring light if you are an aspiring beauty vlogger. You get one, yun yung pinaka-basic. And then you get your lampshade sa bahay. Lamp. You don't need soft boxes. Yung soft boxes, pwede yun pag nag-upgrade ka na. And if meron kang space sa bahay. Thank you guys so much for watching my first ever lighting setup video. Let me know in the comment section below kung gusto niyo pa more videos like this. By the way, if you have any makeup or beauty questions for me, you can absolutely message me on my Instagram account. It's at Makeup by Booya. My DM is open 24/7 for any beauty questions that you have for me. Also, if you want to be a part of our Boo Familia or the Boo Hive, you absolutely can. Meron po tayong Facebook group called the Internet Buddies by the Boo Familia. In that group, you can share memes, ask beauty questions, share beauty tips, and be friends with like-minded people. So if you want to be a part of that, just click the link down in the description box below. Again, if you have any more video requests for me, just comment them down in the comment section below with a hashtag #requestbooya. Again, just remember, no hate, just love.